Hi mga garden, so this is Jardinerang Nanay once again. Welcome to our home, our garden. We believe that all plants grow with love. So for today, we are going to talk about how not to kill your Begonia Rex. So, like, comment, and subscribe and click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Jardinerang Nanay or HNTV Pacquiao. This is one example of a Begonia Rex. It's the Macarena begonia. We have the morning dew. We have the red bull. We have the pink harmony. We have Helen Tupal. We have the pink mystery. We have the black knight. We have the black mamba. We have the iron cross. So when we say Begonia Rex, it is also called the rhizhoumatous begonia. Okay, they grow in rhizomes. Alright, or they grow with rhizomes. See the difference from the cane begonias. This is an example of a cane begonia. See, they have this stem. Alright, this one also, the Sophie Cecil. Look at that. They have that stem and they grow tall. Okay. So we have here the black mamba. It is a rhizhoumatous begonia. There. So how to propagate this one? Okay, separate the rhizomes. Wait, it's not clearly seen. Alright. Wait, I'll get another example. This one. Okay, this is an example of a rhizhoumatous begonia or the painted leaf begonia based on the leaves. Alright. Okay, so this one is called the rhizomes of the begonia. Actually, even inside the inside the soil you can see clearly. So they are in clusters. So when we propagate this one, you can actually divide it. Okay, wait lang po. Here. Oh my goodness. This one. See? If you propagate this one, you just have to cut that one, separate it, and then plant this one. And then water it after 2 to 3 days. Okay? So, this is what we call the rhizome. There. Right? So, if you are going to divide this one, or propagate this one, cut it there, cut it there, cut it there. Alright? So, that's it. See this one. See? Another sample of a rhizhoumatous begonia. Okay? This is the pig skin. No, this is not pig skin. This is the beef steak. Okay? Maybe it shapes like a beef steak. So, what are the tips so that we will not kill our Begonia Rex? Okay, I have one here. It's the escargot Begonia Rex. Okay, it's escargot. Yeah, it is. Okay, so there are 2 leaves left because I keep on propagating them and there is a new one there. So if this one becomes mature, I will get it and propagate and something like that. So the first thing that we need to consider when we are taking care of our Begonia Rex is the sunlight exposure. All right, so they actually need moderate and indirect sunlight. Okay, it's okay if they receive a early morning sun. 30 minutes is good, 1 hour is good, 2 hours is good, as long as it is the early morning sun. Just like where I place my rare begonias here, they receive actually early morning sun. Okay, to be safe, for you not to burn your begonia Rex, why don't you cover or add net, garden net in your garden to protect your Begonia Rex. Let me show you. Just like this one, this net, this garden net, okay? So it protects your Begonia Rex from sunburn. Next one to consider is watering. So always remember what Hardinerang Nanay always say, that overwatering is the number one killer of all plants. All right. So what should we do? Water your Begonia Rex once a week. Okay, during summer once a week. And then also remember that begonias store water on their leaves. So I have here one example of a leaf with water. Here. So that's water actually. See? It's water. See? Oh, it's water. So actually, yes, they store water in their leaves and in their rhizomes. So they are like succulents that they should not be watered every day or every other day. No, 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 no. Once a week is good. Okay? You just have to observe. Okay? And then, what else? During the rainy season, my begonias, I water them once a month, especially here in Baguio that, we experience too much rain. 1 month, 2 months of monsoon rains, I water my begonias once a month. Okay, because we consider also the humidity is very high. Okay, the air is very moist. Okay, actually they love that. Okay, higher humidity, the better. Okay, so what are we going to do for us to increase the humidity? Don't miss your begonias, your Begonia Rex. If you want to achieve your the higher humidity, don't miss them. Okay? Don't wet the leaves when you water them, diba? So don't also miss your Begonia Rex leaves. Okay, to achieve a higher humidity, what are we going to do? We have to increase the air circulation. So the area where you place them is not too crowded. Okay, so also to prevent Begonia Rex from fungi and rotten leaves, rotten stems. Okay, increase the air circulation, increase the humidity. Okay, so see, my scarlet is very healthy. No fungi, no rotten leaves. Okay, so what else? What do we need to consider? And then next one to consider is of course the soil. See, the soil mix I have here is the composted alnus tree leaves. What else? Black soil, cow manure, composted. If you don't have the composted alnus tree leaves, you can use the carbonized rice hull, and then some organic matter like the vermicast. So pumice is also good in adding to our soil mix of our begonias, because it prevents the soil from being saggy. Okay, so it prevents root rot or rhizomes rot. Okay, so it will have healthy roots. If the leaves are crinkling, or what do you need, how do we describe that? I cannot show example because I'm not overwatering my begonias. Wait. Oh, sorry, I don't have it. If you're the leaves are crinkling, it's rotten. Of course, number one cause of that is overwatering. And then we have another problem, the underwatered. So the leaves are almost dying. They need water, so that is underwatered also. Even if they store water in the leaves, you know, nade-dehydrate din sila. Okay, so be careful on that. So you have to not to overwater your begonias, not to underwater them. Okay. The mildew is also a problem, especially if your begonia rex are in a lower humidity. Okay, so avoid that one if possible. Okay, another problem, especially during summer. During summer, at the end of summer, going to rainy season, we have the what's that? Mealybugs. Okay, aphids like those. So, how to prevent this one? I recommend the use of Starkle G. Okay, you can buy it in Shopee. There's another video wherein I did this one in the Lovely Rose succulent. So actually, it's effective. I'm not experiencing aphids in my succulents anymore because I use Starkle G, not only on the succulents but then and also other plants, especially your plants are rare, expensive. Use this one. I recommend this one. And also another one that I recommend is the use of neem oil. So it fights or it prevents aphids, spider mites, what else? Mealybugs. Okay, as a soil drench and as a spray. But for my begonias, I use neem oil soil drench to prevent those ones because the mealybugs and the aphids also stay under the soil. Okay, so that's it mga garden. Thank you for watching HNTV Baguio. Hope you have learned something today. Maptum Jin ako tayo amin. Thank you. God bless us all. Pan-like kayo, pan-comment kayo, pan-subscribe kayo. Click the notification bell for more home gardening tips and vlogs from Hardinerang Nanay or HNTV Baguio. Tiinog kabasan mo.